Okay, 14.2. So the determinant of a matrix is just a specific part of it, and it just means the quantity, and you can use it to get like the inverse of a matrix and things like that we're going to do in the next unit, or the next section. So the determinant is going to be marked with these straight bars around this matrix rather than the brackets. And to get it, it's pretty cool. All you do is like a fish. Okay. So the formula is A times D minus B times C. And it's right there. But the best way to remember it is that fish. Just make sure you remember the directions. Start here. And the minus sign. A 3x3 matrix is a little trickier. So you take the first number, A, and again, fish. So A times your fish, right there. The tricky part is when you go to do the B. So you take B, and you always do the opposite sign, so negative. And then your fish skips this. So it goes DI minus FG. So that's right there. So that's the only weird part, is it doesn't include the column right underneath. Or you can memorize the formula, whatever you want. So C, so this is positive, B is negative, C is back to positive. And again, skip that part and do fish. DH minus EG. I have a typo right there. Make sure you fix that. That's a G. Okay. Besides the typo, that's all good. So let's try practicing that. If you go down here to problem number 1, so we've got A, B, C, D. So you can either use the formula or do the fish. So 3 times 2 minus negative 2 times 3. And that is 6, oops, we don't need the parentheses, 6 plus 6, which is 12. For the 3x3, remember, just copy these over, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, negative 1, negative 3. And again, fish, so plus, minus, plus. We have 1 times the fish, which is negative 1 times negative 3, minus negative 2 times 1, negative 1, sorry. Then we have negative 5. So negative 5, fish here. So we got 6 there. And minus negative 2. Okay. And then that was a plus. So we do plus 4. And then our fish here is negative 2 times negative 1 minus negative 1, which becomes plus 1. And you solve each of those. So D equals 1 minus 40 plus 12, which equals, let's see, negative 27, I believe. Double check my math, though. Okay, so those are both examples of a 2x2 and a 3x3. And this one, go ahead and try that. You don't have to set up that box of A equals, B equals, C equals, if you can do it. So try it, and then after you finish trying it, push the play button on the video so you can see how. Okay, so we fish. That first number is 6 minus, and that second number is negative 1. So we get 7. And if you have questions more than that about how to get this, just ask me. This next one, so plus minus plus, so 0 times, and we have fish there, 5 minus 0, and then minus 5. Okay, that minus 5 is from here, and then we don't use that column. So our fish is negative 3 minus 0. Lots of zeros in this one, which is nice. And then we have a plus 2. And again, fish negative 15 minus, that's as far as it goes, so minus, 20, minus negative 20. So you add those all up, so 0 times 5 minus 5 times negative 3, and then always add the inside of the parentheses first. That gets you 5, so we get 0 plus 15 plus 10, D equals 25. That's it for 14.2. Do remember that the homework tonight involves 2 and 3, so watch that video 14.3 before you start the homework.